Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, actually, I'm going to use my favorite products from E.L.F. and I'm going to create this makeup look. And if you want to see what products I'm talking about, then keep on watching. So let's get started. The first product I have from them, which I actually enjoy a lot, is this brow pencil. This is called Ultra Precise Brown Pencil. Mine is in the shade Neutral Brown. So it's just a skinny pencil that just does a job and has a spoolie as well. And I found it's a really, really good pencil anyway. And I like the color. I think it's really the perfect shade for me. Next, I have from them a Putty Eye Primer, and mine is in the shade Rose. It's really nice, guys. I think this was launched this year. I don't remember to be last year, to be fair. And it's exactly how it is, how it says. It's a putty primer, but even if it looks thick and it's quite pigmented, it dries out so quickly on the eyes. You have enough time to blend it, but it dries down, it sets itself. You don't need to set it with the powder, which I adore, because sometimes some eye base can be a bit sticky and they're all right when you're tapping in the color, but when you want to blend, sometimes it can be muddy. It's not going to blend really nice anyway. So I've noticed with this one there is no issue. It literally sets itself and you can blend your eyeshadow on. You'll see it's a really great eye primer. By the way, everything I'm using today from E.L.F, I'm gonna link down in the description box so you can see yourself and you can check. So I'm just gonna use one of these brushes that I'm always using for my eye base. It's like you have nothing on the eye and it covers. What I like about this, you can build it up. I mean, you can apply just a small amount at the beginning and then you can build it up to the level of coverage you want. Because for maybe some other people like me, have like all kind of veins and stuff that you can see in here, discoloration, and this is gonna cover, so you can build it up really nicely, no issue. But as you can see, it's like I'm applying like a powder or something. It's instantly matte, but it's not drying, which is I adore it. And look, it just set itself like I have nothing on my eyelid. And look, the difference is it completely covered everything that I have. And now I'm just gonna apply the eyeshadow and period. I mean, I like it. Look at this eyeshadow base. I haven't touched it. I literally didn't blend it because all the time when I'm using an eye base, I have to go back and blend it. It's absolutely nothing. It didn't crease at all. It's this good. Literally, I'm obsessed since I've discovered it. It's really good. Next, for the eyeshadow, I'm gonna use this one. This is their bite size, I think they're called. I just have to double check on their website. They have various shades in this one, but I've discovered this one recently. So this is called Berry Bad. They have like this kind of berry shades, which I adore, but the differences between this and the other ones I have, I think this one is more pigmented. I'm not joking. Even the shimmers are more pigmented. So I'm just gonna show you what I'm talking about. I mean, these are way more pigmented than the other ones that I've used, and I've just barely touched it. I'm gonna start as a transition shade. I'm gonna use this one. They don't have really light shades, but that's fine. I mean, I can use a highlighter to highlight my inner corner. Just keep in mind they're a bit powdery. So yeah, this is a great transition shade. I am gonna take this darker shade now and just do like my outer V. And I'm just gonna go for a cat look type of. I'm gonna press this first. Next, I am gonna use both of them, so let's see where. I think I'm gonna use this shade first. I'm gonna use my finger because they always gonna pay up better when you use your finger. This is such a nice burgundy type of color. And then on this part, I am gonna use the other shade in here. And now I'm gonna go back with that brown, the darker shade, to blend this together. Okay, so I have the shape I want on the lower lash line. Just ignore it at the moment because I will work it out. And then I'll still have to do this bed. I'm gonna use a highlighter probably. I think on the lower lash line, I am gonna use the same brown. And then in front somewhere, I'm gonna use this shade in here. Okay, next I have a primer from them, which again recently was launched, and I think it's absolutely great. I'm talking about the Power Grip Primer. It's I think it's a dupe of the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. What it says, apply evenly before makeup with your fingers and pat into the skin. Wait 30 seconds before applying makeup. This has 24 mils and it doesn't have any smell, which is great. It has a pump as well, which is really hygienic. And I'm not gonna apply it with my fingers. I'm gonna apply it with this stippling brush because this type of primers I like to apply it with a brush. So firstly, as you can see, it looks like a gel. Oops. Right. And it's also hydrating. So it's gonna make your foundation actually looks better on the skin and grips better. It's not gonna move around everywhere. Now for foundation, I have their Camo CC cream. This has, it's color correcting, full coverage, natural finish. It is full coverage, guys. It's really full coverage, and it does look nice. It's hydrating. It also has collagen, peptides, and niacinamide. Mine is in the shade Fair 140, but this is way too light for me. I've ordered this online because I couldn't find it on store when I bought it, and you know, the shades online was a bit misleading. So I bought a really light shade. It's a yellowish type of shade, which it's my undertone. I mean, I'm neutral mostly, but I'm gonna mix it with my Nip and Fab drops, foundation drops anyway, which I'm gonna make it more darker. I'm just gonna add a pump, which for the moment it's enough. It's really well yellowish, but let's mix it with this one first. And of course I'm using my favorite sponge, and this is also from them. This is really squishy and it's a really great sponge. Hope I didn't make a really bad color in here, which seems I did. Everything blends seamless. This color is way too yellowish, bear with me. Look at that. I don't know if I managed to do a really good match of the color, but anyway, I've mixed so many things in here. I think it's too grayish now. Okay, the next favorite product from them that I have, it's actually this concealer. This is the hydrating one. So it's called Hydrating Camo Concealer Satin Finish. I like the other one as well, the original one, but this I like better. It's a bit more hydrating and my under eyes just love it. You know, this foundation shade is really off, but I will sort it out, no worries. I'm just gonna highlight the center of my forehead. Can you see how nicely it blends in? So yeah, as you can see, it just blended everything seamlessly. Even around my nose, no issues. Next I have two more cream products I love from them. So I'm talking about their bronzer and their blush. They're like the putty ones, which they're really great, guys. I mean, before I tried this, I didn't really like liquid highlighters, bronzers, and so on. And it's because they were a bit too oily on my skin. This ones, both of them, both of their formulas, it will come matte. It will set, and it's not gonna be oily or everywhere. It's not gonna smudge everywhere your face. What I'm talking about is the fact that as I did tried other products but they're a bit oily, it literally disturbed my base underneath, and it just rubbed off my foundation or so on, or it didn't stay. It just was everywhere. These are really great formulas, guys, and you will see what I'm talking about. And you'll see how quickly this blends in and is not disturbing anything underneath, literally. Next I have the blush. This is in the shade Tahiti. By the way, the bronzer is in the shade Honey Drip. So this is the shade Tahiti. It's a really nice shade. I'm gonna use one of these brushes. And I'm gonna do the same like I did with the bronzer, because I wanna go just slightly first. It's a gorgeous color. This is just like I like blush, but I like to be a bit more subtle and not that intense as the, you know, bronzer. So I'm gonna go and set up my skin and then coming back, so I have a few more products. So the next product I want to show you that I really love is this eyeliner. This is called H2O. I always want to say J2O, I don't know why. H2O Pro for eyeliner pen. So they want to be fancy instead of saying waterproof. Anyway, so yeah, it is a waterproof pencil. It says shake, and it has a mini ball inside, which literally makes the ink comes through. Now I need to buy a new one because this is almost finished. I'm using it for so long, and it's almost gone. It's a great eyeliner. Next, I have a lipstick from them, which I really love. This is in the shade Sugar Plum, but I can't remember how this is called. I just have to look on the website again and search for it. First, I'm gonna apply a random lip liner, and then I will apply the lipstick. Okay, so ignore my lip liner. Today, apparently, I can't apply makeup. It's all over the place. Going back to the lipstick. I think it's a great one. It's really pigmented, as you can see. It's pigmented, it's creamy, even if it's a matte one. It's really comfortable on the lips. And the next product I have from them is this lip gloss. It's called Lip Lacquer, I think. This is how it's pronounced. This is in the shade Bubbles. So it's a clear lip gloss, and it has some sparkles on it. It just gives your lips like a next dimension. So you can see it has these sparkles, and it just looks lovely. I'm gonna take one of these brushes. I am gonna take off from the applicator because I don't want to make it a mess. This is a gorgeous color, but it's gonna transfer. So let's apply with the brush. By the way, this gloss, it's so comfortable. It's hydrating. It's not sticky, which I like. So it just, as you can see, it just gives you this beautiful finish. Last but not least, I have a setting spray from them. This is called Stay All Night Microfine Setting Mist. Not only that it smells delicious, I adore how this smells. It says up to 16 hours wear. Now this, guys, literally is gonna make your makeup last longer. I think the packaging is really great as well. And I'm pretty sure this is a dupe of the Urban Decay Stay All Night Setting Spray. The spritzer as well is really fine and nice. It feels nice on the skin. And has a mini bowl inside. I don't know if you can see it in here. Let's see if I can find it. It's here somewhere. Which is gonna help mix everything together better. Anyway, so let's spray this on. It smells so fresh. And okay, so what it says on the back in here, it says shake bottle well before each use. It's normal for the formula to settle, so I think it separates or something after a while. The mixing bowl will help evenly redistribute the formula. Hold up to 10 inches away from your face. Close your eyes. Mist the face 2-4 times in a Z formation. Whatever. I like the finish of it. It doesn't give you a dewy finish, but it doesn't give you a matte finish either. It is just between. It's lovely. And it sets everything in place. Literally made my makeup to sink in. So yes, one of my favorite. And it's about £10 if I'm not mistaken. It's just, all of these are so inexpensive and they're so good, literally. I'm gonna go now and apply some lashes and come back with the finished look. These are literally my favorite products from E.L.F. Everything looks flawless. I mean, my skin looks really nice. Like, the foundation looks really natural. Under the eye as well, everything looks a bit glowy, and I don't know, just love it. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. Let me know in the comments down below if you actually tried any of these products from E.L.F. As I did mention, these are my favorite ones that I've used till now. They're really great quality, they are cheap, they're really affordable, they are nice, cruelty free as well, guys, and vegan. I mean, what else you can ask more for a drugstore brand when they have all of these beautiful quality products. So yeah, I'm really curious if you tried any of their products, and especially the new ones, because lately E.L.F. is just coming with more and more good products. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below if you tried any of this and if you liked it or if you don't. Okay, now thank you very much for watching today. Please give it a big thumbs up to this video. It will mean a lot for me and my channel as well. And also, if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this every week. Now, I will see you next time. Till then, take care, guys. Bye.